Oh, let's get hot. Eee. Almost done. Hey! Hey! Quiet, Luigi. I'm trying to do some regions practice. What are you doing? I said I'm doing some more regions practice and I can't pass the science. Look at this. What are some factors that affect gene expression? What changes in a what? If right. Ugh. Oh, I know how to screw this. Ugh. Stupid thing, I hate this. What a nuisance. Oh, I'm sorry, Luigi, what do you want? Oh, I found this familiar hat. Look. Oh boy. Oops. Idiot. Oh boy. Well, come with me right now. We gotta go find the boys. What happened? Nothing, just come on, let's go. Let's get downstairs, shall we? Alright, let's go. Alright. Wait, did you say downstairs? Did I say that? Oh yeah, they're playing video games. Wait a minute, they're supposed to be in the bathroom. I'll fix them. Alright, let's go. But, oh! Ow! Alright, this way. Hey, you're right, they're in the back. What are you boys doing? Yeah! Oh! What are we playing? Somebody hit the lights. Go! What are we playing?
Oh, there's nothing. It's a band little brawl. Me and father. I'm beating you, Tony. Oh, you can't hit me. Oh, crap, you idiot.
Oh! What are you idiots doing?
You're messing us up. Get out of the way.
No. What are you playing brawl for? You're supposed to be in the bathroom fixing the stink. There was a leak yesterday.
We didn't know. Yeah.
I didn't say you take a break right now. Later was a break. Now you're gonna spoil your later break now, so good luck with that.
Oh, great. You're messing me up. No, actually, I'm being messed up. Oh, good for you. Hey, will you guys quiet down? Try and play Minecraft 7.
Can I play next?
What about the done?
How's that gonna be?
Shadow ability.
Listen, fellas, pause the game. I said pause the game.
But
I'll take care of this. Alright.
hey, what the hell is that for?
Shut up and listen. I found this hat earlier. It was actually Luigi found it.
What is it?
Well, it looks like it's a familiar friend's hat. Oh, you better read this, fellas. Wait, what does it say?
What is that?
A note in the hat. We can't. I got the vision of seeing it. I'll read it. Dear Tony and pals. Dear Tony and pals. Yeah. We have kidnapped your friend, Woody. Woody?
What? Woody? Woody?
Woody? Andy! Shut up, Woody. Ah, nonsense. Anyway, we kidnapped Woody. If you want him back, meet me in the backyard. Signed, Tony the Tiger.
I'm no tiger.
Not you, stupid. There's another Tony running around. A tiger, huh? Oh, geez, it's gonna be worse than last time.
What do we have to do with Sully? Well, Sully basically turned out to be a friend, always, but This guy must be more trouble, so looks like we're gonna have to go alone.
Are you sure?
What do I mean to find? Luigi's not coming this time. He can play our games, by the way. Ha ha ha. Oh yeah, and we'll take this hat with us. So, let's just good luck. Hey, you two.
Oh!
What? We're playing. We'll play later, come on.
Well, you won't. You guys will be in sync with it because you just messed up your... You know what I mean, so get out of here. Come on, get out.
Alright, let's go. Ah! And you too.
Ow, 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 ow. Hey, stop pulling my ear. Ah! Ah! Oh!
Alright. Oh yeah. And you guys can take over the game.
Yeah! Hey, pardon me. What the hell? I'm playing. Alright, get out.
Alright, take it easy, Dave. We're going and we're getting the hell out. Hey, Frogger. You want a hat since you don't have one for now? Oh boy, let's see what it looks like. Let me see. Where's the hat? Oh. And as tough as a cowboy. Alright, come on, let's go. To the door, fellas.
Yeah! Right, Warranty? You wanna play? Alright, I'll play a couple minutes. Maybe we'll get my mind off of the regions, like all the signs I've gotta take, cause that was real pain in the ass to do. It's so annoying! Nuisance! Yeah. I am too young to do regions. What I really need is a little bit of fun games! Yeah! Alright, let's play. Alright. Oh yeah. Where's the... Alright, I'll be Yoshi, and you'll be Mario. That's Tony! You mean that's Mario? Yeah! Alright. Ha ha ha. This is gonna be fun, huh? Yeah! While the boys say the words.